Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dimitri and we're reporting from Boxborough, Massachusetts. Right here I have a gorgeous Mercedes G55. It looks gorgeous now, but it didn't look gorgeous weeks ago when it was dropped off for rust repairs. And just a quick peek, this is not the vehicle we're going to talk about, but take a quick peek. This was fully restored and it looks essentially like when it was built at the factory. Here we have another G-Class, and this one had a typical issue with the rear suspension rust. By the way, this is the part of this vehicle.
That's not normally detached from the frame.
Yes, they don't come separate.
There's no nuts and bolts holding that on.
Yes, and by the way, I'll introduce Ian. He's running the camera. So what's not uncommon, if the G-Class is not rust-proofed and used in the climate similar to what we have here in New England, they will rust, and they will rust badly. They will rust to the point that things like, this is the rear shock upper bracket, it would literally disintegrate and break off. So what was done a few years ago, you can see this new part was welded to the, it's not the best welding job either, because this area is hard to get to. It's kind of right there. So that is actually a pretty bad how it's welded. But the problem was that they welded it onto already weakened tube. And what we do when we restore these suspensions, we would cut off the tubes. And we have the videos, we'll link it to this video, you can see what we do. But this is the first vehicle we see where someone welded a new part to a rusted tube, did not replace the tube. This tube somehow still survived, but you can see the rear tube, this was the tube, but now it's all collapsed. And
this tube was not far behind it.
Actually you can see it right here. So this tube is also splitting.
And this bracket had broken off before, because if we look at the vehicle, when that breaks off, the top of your shock starts to punch at the vehicle body structure. And you can see
it right there.
That's exactly what happens.
Yes. And speaking of the tubes, and before we switch to the other side, we do have a replacement tube here. You can see these are made to our specifications, and you can see it's a much heavier gauge, and it is machined so that when we clean these surfaces, so this surface will completely grind it flush with the frame, so this will go in there, and it will be flush with the surface, with the plane, with the vertical plane of the frame. So then we can put a nice bead, we will put a nice bead around, and this will be permanently affixed to the frame, and it will be essentially stronger than the original one. And that's how important it is to replace these tubes, because if you don't, you're going to end up with something like this, where pretty much all this work and the money that someone paid to do this, it just is a waste of money. Let's check out the other side. Yeah, you can see right here, this is what some other shop did. They welded this to the existing tube. This side is a little better, but obviously the owner doesn't find themselves with the same situation as they are on the left side, so we're gonna get that fixed as well. And while checking this, we discovered that this part, the wall has thinned substantially, so we're also going to replace this piece. What's nice about Mercedes, for the most part, we can get these pieces individually and rebuild the structural components onto the existing frame. Obviously, the very first thing we did, even though there's a lot of surface rust, but we kind of knocked on this frame substantially to see if there are any weakened areas, and luckily for this vehicle owner, the frame is very good, very strong, so we're rebuilding, and this is going to work out great. So thank you for watching this little segment on the rust repairs of the G-Class, and this was Dimitri and Ian reporting from our service center in Boxborough. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button. Thanks for watching.